If you need to reset your Venmo password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet to proceed with the password reset. Step 2. Tap on Login. On the app's main screen, tap on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and tap on it. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Provide the required information and tap Submit. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for a password reset link or code from Venmo. Follow the instructions provided to create a new password and regain access to your account. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Venmo account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.